baby to me. It's an old baby, and I've been nurturing with Ubuntu. And I'm looking forward to associate more often with Ubuntu because we're planning on a women-led delegation to Tunisia, which is headed by Ratna Prabha ma'am. And I see a plethora of sectors ranging between textile industry, leather industry, handicraft, clothing, food processing, agriculture, and so on. And I think Ubuntu has been very instrumental and a very important consortium which has given a platform to thriving women entrepreneurs to venture out cross border. Well, Tunisia has been a country where there has been the women upspring. The women upspring has happened in Tunisia. And that way, we Tunisians, or me represent Tunisia, would become an inspiration for many more women who have been led by the society, led by the community, led by the family in terms of being slightly disadvantages in the patriarchal society which we thrive in. These are all inspirations and motivational aspects, and especially when the government is supportive, which is the most important in terms of financial support, in terms of supporting them in training, in terms of other services rendered, in terms of policies which actually help the women go beyond what they can achieve. That is the hand holding which we all require. And I think there are many countries which are actually helping women thrive with for gender equality and diversity.
How can we include that, the gender equality and sustainability concept of it, and also grow with the opportunity than finding the competition and struggle there?
Yeah, I think the major aspect of here, what we have to do is when we talk about feminism, it is that we need to include the man in our growth. It's about growing together because if women are emotionally strong, the men are physically strong. And I think those two aspects grow hand in hand. We are not competing with anybody, but we are setting the standards to levels which is only thriving to the next level. And I think it's coming together. It's about unity in diversity.
Lovely. It's amazing to hear you. And what's the message that you want to leave to our audience today?
I think we are all queens, and the queens must support the other queen, which I already told them. And we are here to give you everything from the will, from the intent, from the motivation to the confidence required. Apart from whatever we could do as the councils, the diplomats present here, the various women entrepreneurs, we need to learn from each and everybody. And we are not here to compete. Competition is just to put you onto another stream of the verticals present, but actually holding hands and talking about it, creating more awareness, giving the platform to the other, creating the stage on a global arena is something which I think is the message from me today.
You have been the panelist and keynote speaker, I would believe. So what is your takeaway for today's meet?
I have taken a lot of things, especially the love, the affection I've got from most of the Ubuntu associates, the various women entrepreneurs who are present there. And I think it's only because of them I come here, because this is just another event while I am here. But for me, this is a family. And being a family, I would go one step above and beyond whatever I could do and take the delegation, make the delegation happen and reach Tunisia.